Let us ring up a real sale on your phone. In this video, you will sell on mobile and learn its limits. First, start a shift so your cash is tracked. Every mobile sale happens inside a shift, just like desktop. Now tap to add products to the cart. Search for an item or browse your categories. Adjust the quantity for each product you add. When the cart is ready, move to payment. Choose cash, card, or a mobile wallet. Confirm the payment to complete the sale. Then share the receipt straight from your phone. Send it by message or any sharing app. Now let us compare mobile with desktop. The mobile app is a lighter version of GOF POS. It needs internet, while the desktop app works offline. The mobile app does not include the report center. It also leaves out full sales history and holding a sale. Those powerful tools live on the desktop app. That completes our full GOF POS tutorial series. Thank you for learning every feature with us. You are now ready to run your shop with confidence. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.